Hi guys, day 20 and I'm smiling despite this horrible looking weather. Anyway, when I left here yesterday, I was thinking how on top of the world I feel. I remember just feeling like completely happy and just thinking there's no man or money that could replace this feeling. It's just like totally elated, like, you know, that the endorphins had kicked in and that feeling of well-being that they keep talking about, that happiness factor that comes from exercise. And I just felt like so totally happy. And you can see why they say that, you know, exercise and all that just banishes stress and stuff, because it's exactly how I felt. I just felt like, gosh, like nothing could take away this feeling that I have right now. There's no issues that can take that away. And I say that, guys, for the last couple of weeks, that I have just experienced happiness. Even though there's times I've been here and I just thought like, oh, this is horrible. This is absolutely awful weather. But it's definitely a happiness factor that's kicked in, which is just delightful, really. Anyway, day 20. Day 20? That's quite a milestone, isn't it? 10 more days to go. And I cannot wait to have a day off. That's the bit I'm looking forward to more than anything else. A day off. I do. And then I'll probably come out sort of once every other day or something like that, not sure. But I definitely would like a day off. I have to take it really careful. It's going downhill at the moment because my right knee is really just not cool. Twisted my ankle slightly on that run, on that 5k run I did, and I could feel it last night. So I'm having to take it really careful so I don't do severe damage to my joints. But yeah, kicking it, guys. 10 days to go. See you later. Hi guys, end of day 20. 10 more days to go. So this is what I was explaining. If I could take it behind me. So when I first came, if you think about 1, 2, 3, 4, probably about, gosh, a quarter of the way down. Not even that, and I'd have to pause. And now I can get, can I zoom in on this? I can get, no, it won't let me zoom. But I can now get right to the end, to the fence, to the gate rather. You see that? You can't see it, I can get to the gate now before I have to do my first stop. Isn't that fantastic? Oh, over the moon. But it's taken like 20 days just to do that without stopping. Oh, that is mental. Oh, that is absolutely mental. But anyway, hon, like I said, happy, 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 even in the fog. Isn't it fantastic? Alright guys, see you tomorrow. Day 21 tomorrow. Day 21.